This is a Homage beat.
Hello. Hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yagamasima, zdravstvuyte, privet, dzień dobry, buna, and also sziasztok. Yes, got a new one in there. And hello from Germany, and xin chào from Vietnam. Vietnam, I should say. Salam alaikum. You know where that's from. And what do I hear you say? Walaikum assalam. Yes, absolutely. And marhaban in Arabic. Welcome to my channel, everybody. My name is Brunel. That's if you don't know who I am. If you do know who I am, well, aren't you very lucky? Yeah. Anyway, it is 2018. Yes, it is 8 days late. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but it is already the second week of 2018. Oh my god. And it is my first unboxing, beauty box unboxing of this year. And this is one here. Voila, the Asos Box. Yeah, try and say that when you've got a little bit tipsy. Anyway, Asos Box cost is £12. It is a bit hit and miss. Hit as in, if you happen to be online and see the box, you can buy it, and otherwise there are no dates as to when it gets produced. It's as and when, and if you do miss, then you lose, you miss. I was lucky enough to be able to get one, find it at the right time, so lucky me. And I know what you're thinking. Showy cow. Yes, you would be right. I am showing off that I'm not a cow. Moo. Anyway, so the box is £12, and I am expecting some goodies in here. The last time I have got the box from them, it was the value of the stuff was about £54 or £56. So I'm expecting good stuff. I do have some idea of what's in there, but I made a point of not reading too much on it, because obviously when you go on Asos, it tells you what the you know, it gives you an idea of the items, or the thumbnail with a picture of the items tells you some of the items in there as well. So yeah, so we're just going to God, I can't open the box. Let's try it. Oh, you know what? You're trying to do things one-handed. My left hand is not working. It's been frozen stiff, and I can't get the damn thing. Oh my god! Right? Help! Editing time. Okay, first things first, it comes out the box is this, the card, and it's got Asos, and it's got different pictures over here, and then let's see what it tells you. There's nothing more refreshing than actually sticking to the resolutions we make ourselves, which is why we've stuffed this box with the building blocks for an easy peasy and sustainable skincare regime, perfect for anyone who's vowed to spend more time looking after number one this year. I've vowed to look after number one because there's only one in number one, and there's only one Brunel in number one. Anyway, so detoxify, purify and cleanse your skin and body with the latest products from your favorite face and body brands, including Nip and Fab, Nugg, I hope I say that right, and Nugg, Emma Hardie and First Aid Beauty. Whether you want to mess about with moisturizers or mud masks, there's something suitable, indulgent in here for you. Go play. That's what it says on the card. Okay, so from what I can see here, well, clearly this is not full size. This is the Nugg, and I hope I said that right. If I don't, please let me know and I shall correct it. All right, for now it is Nugg. All right, Nugg. So it is face mask detoxifying, nice. Charcoal skin detox, I love charcoal, as you guys well know. I think I'm having a bit of charcoal mask overload, but you know, not too many, you know, one more is not going to make a difference. So especially this tiny, this probably be one usage amount. You've got 9 ml in here, which is equal to 0.3 fluid ounces. And it says here, mask detoxifying charcoal oatmeal. I like that. And tea tree oil, not for me then in that case. Well, cleanses, purifies and helps control shine. Tea tree oil is a good oil to have. Citrusy oils are also good for you for spots and stuff like that, but unfortunately tea tree and I do not get along at all. I cannot put it anywhere near my face, otherwise I end up feeling so itchy as hell. It makes my face feel as if I'm burning. So I think we shall have to give this one a miss. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, so no. Okay, Eye Repair Spa by Look Beauty. Eye puffiness. All right, pouches. And how many are in here? One treatment. Hopefully I'll turn it, you can see it at an angle. So I'm sure this is meant to be for getting rid of minimizing patches. Yeah, so self-explanatory, but clearly this is just a little sample. So far I'm not impressed. Both of those samples. Okay, I'm not too sure how much over £12 that is going to be worth it this time round. It's looking a bit empty in here as well. Hello? 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 Can you hear the echo? Hello? I think this is a full size item. This is the Ultra Repair Cream, intense hydration for dry, parched skin, safe for sensitive skin. It is Creme Ultra, which is hydration intense. Oh yeah, that's the French version. Anyway. Yeah, there is a French version here. Anyway, so it is Fab First Aid Nip and Fab. Yeah, so sorry, this is not Nip and Fab, for goodness sake. This is First Aid Beauty, and it is an intensely moisturizing cream. Let's see whether I like the smell. First of all, in here you've got 56.7 grams, which is equal to 2 ounces. And let's see whether it is that moisturizing. And I have a feeling I'm supposed to take something else off of here so we can try it out and have a good sniff. Yes. Oh man, I hate these. You know, when they've got this tiny little silver thing. Oh come on. Someone's having a laugh. Someone's taking a mickey. Ooh, someone's not taking a mickey. I'll take it back. I'll take it back. Ooh, I can actually open it then. Makes a change. Normally I struggle. So just a nice, really super thick cream, but it does feel very much like a mousse, super light, and I think I've got too much. Oh, this feels so moisturizing, but it feels so light. It really is like a moussey texture. Yeah, and it gets absorbed very quickly into the skin. Okay, well, I don't think I like this smell that much. It's not horrible, but it's not nice. It's not how I would want my hands to smell. You know, like when you've got, is this Sudocreme? Is this Sudocreme? Yes. So it's good for you, but you don't necessarily want to smell like that. So not the best. Okay, never mind then. Oh, this is the Nip and Fab. I was getting a bit confused. This lot. These are the Glycolic Fixed Daily Cleansing Pads. I've got some of these as well. They are super gentle, fine, and they are for removing kind of impurities, and also helps to reveal brighter skin, smoother looking skin as well. Clearly this is a sample size because I've got some, as I said, and it's a lot bigger. So again, sample size. So far only one item that is full size. I'm checking the time here, 12 minutes to 10 minutes I should say. Let's get on with this. And this one here, which is the Moringa cleansing balm. So it's a cleansing balm from Hardie. Nice packaging, but again, I'm not too sure that this will be a full size at all because there's not only 15 mil in here. I have no idea whether this will be a normal size, so I will let you guys know when I do inside the description box. Please have a look in there for the full price of the items to see whether it is worth it or not. To me personally, I'm a bit disappointed with this particular box. It does look a bit empty. Maybe that these two together consist of you know, at least double the price, because I'm telling you now, those other ones are all samples. These are samples, so in comparison to the last box that I had, where the items were £54, I doubt very much that these two are going to come to that. I could be wrong, but yeah, I'm not looking really impressed. Not this time round, actually. Sorry, it's just that it's just what it is. But it might end up being very super expensive stuff, a few that which are in there, and it's worth it. But I don't know. Anyway, make up your own mind as to whether you think these are worth it or not, and then decide to spend your money. At the end of the day, it is only £12, so it is not a fortune. But will it be £12 worth, you know, well worth spending or not? No idea. Me, I'm on the fence with this one, tittering more towards one leg is sort of going that way, and we're tittering towards the no. As usual, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on your way out or before you leave, whatever, and I will speak to you very soon. Bye.